Biodiversity is the diversity of organisms that inhabit an ecosystem. The bee that pollinates our crops, the ladybug that feeds from the pests, the owl that controls the mole, or even the fungi and bacteria that live in our soils. Biodiversity also refers to the different ecosystems, our crops, or the different species of soil covers, the shrubs and trees that live in the area around our land, or the foxes that hide under them to shelter themselves from the rain. Biodiversity is therefore like an insurance policy for the future of humanity. At Borges International Group, our bet is on the preservation of nature. Through our production, we seek to preserve biodiversity. At Mas de Colom Farm, where the plan for biodiversity action was developed, which is part of the Natura 2000 network, more than 10% of the area is dedicated to the preservation of semi-natural habitats and the mediation of the implementation of good agricultural practices that promote the preservation of biodiversity. The use of soil covers contributes to the reduction of incidences of certain pests in a natural way, which in turn reduces the use of chemicals. Also, it controls the loss of fertile soil in the entirety of the farming area. The plantation of more than 3,000 linear meters of trees and shrubs that not only contribute to mitigate the effects of climate change, but also creates a space where fauna can find food, make nests, and find shelter during winter. Society is the best driving engine for the preservation of nature. Hence, workshops and training for Borges workers and relatives are made available. The preservation of biodiversity must become a way of life in order to walk in a world of all and for all.